Welcome to Istanbul, where East meets West, and history blends seamlessly with modernity. In this video, we'll be your guide to one of Istanbul's most iconic landmarks, the Galata Tower. From breathtaking views to historical significance, we'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of your visit.
Hey there, travelers! Welcome to Istanbul and the magnificent Galata Tower. I'm Levent, and today I'm excited to show you around this historic marvel. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about how to get here. The Galata Tower is conveniently located in the Beyoğlu district of Istanbul and is easily accessible by public transportation, taxi, or even on foot if you're staying nearby. This magnificent tower, standing tall at 67 meters, has been a silent witness to centuries of Istanbul's history. But before we delve into its past, let's get down to some interesting facts. Did you know the Galata Tower wasn't always called that? Originally named the Christie Tower by the Genoese who built it in the 14th century, it got its current name after the Galata neighborhood it stands in. Fun fact for all the aviation enthusiasts. Legend has it that in the 17th century, a daredevil named Hezarfen Ahmet Celebi strapped on homemade wings and glided from the top of the tower, all the way to the Asian side of Istanbul. The Galata Tower held the title of Istanbul's tallest building for over 300 years, until the Beyazıt Tower was built in the 18th century. Now that we're at the top, let me tell you, the view from up here is absolutely breathtaking. You can see the entire city spread out before you, from the majestic Bosphorus to the ancient streets of Sultanahmet. Be sure to bring your camera because you won't want to miss capturing this panoramic beauty. Besides soaking in the view, there are plenty of other things to do here at the Galata Tower. You can learn about its fascinating history through informative exhibits, enjoy a cup of Turkish coffee or tea at the cafe, or simply take a leisurely stroll around the observation deck. For those interested in delving deeper into the history and legends of the Galata Tower, I highly recommend hiring a local guide. They can provide invaluable insights and share captivating stories that will enrich your experience. As with any travel experience, there are a few tips to keep in mind to make the most of your visit to the Galata Tower. Firstly, try to arrive early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid the crowds and catch the best lighting for photos. Secondly, don't forget to dress appropriately, especially if you're planning to visit during the summer months. The Galata Tower can get quite hot, so be sure to wear lightweight, breathable clothing and bring plenty of water to stay hydrated. Now, let's talk about planning your visit to this iconic landmark. The Galata Tower is a popular tourist attraction, especially during peak seasons. Consider visiting early in the morning or later in the evening to avoid the rush. Purchase a combined ticket that includes entry to the tower and the museum inside. This not only saves you money but also enriches your experience with historical exhibits. An elevator takes you up to the 6th floor, but the best views are on the observation deck on the 8th floor. If you're feeling adventurous, climb the remaining 2 flights of stairs. Soaking in the panoramic views from the top of the Galata Tower is an unforgettable experience. You'll see the Golden Horn, the Bosphorus Strait, and the historic city sprawled out before you. Whether you're a history buff or simply enjoy breathtaking views, the Galata Tower is a must-visit on your trip to Istanbul. Have you ever been to the Galata Tower? Share your experiences in the comments below.